Swear the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, sir.
And Mr. Manuel, you're parked, correct?
Sorry?
You're parked?
I'm sorry, I can't hear
Is
you.
your vehicle parked?
Yes, sir. Just I'm sitting
Okay.
sitting
All
to
right,
the
thank you.
side.
All right, that's fine. I just need to answer the question. All right, Ms. Hunt, go ahead and proceed.
Your Honor, we're on a motion for a change of status. The child is currently living with the father, Mr. Manuel, and the mother is in agreement with that. We have an agreement on most of the terms except for visitation and support. So I'll read the agreements out to the record first. The parties, like I stated, agree that the child is living with the father and has been since August of 2019. The parents are in agreement to be appointed or to remain as joint managing conservators, but with Mr. Manuel designating the child's primary residence without any geographic restriction. He currently lives in the Houston area. They are not in agreement on a specific time frame for visitation, but they do agree to an injunction to where neither party will consume drugs or alcohol 12 hours before possession or during possession. And I do believe they're also in agreement that Ms. Chapman will produce a clean drug test before any visitation period, and that Mr. Manuel will pay for that drug test.
No, Michael's not paying for it.
He's not in agreement to pay for the drug test then.
No.
So I will come back to that issue. Neither parent has access to private health insurance at a reasonable cost right now. Mr. Manuel will try to apply for Medicaid or CHIPS for the child. Mom has agreed to pay medical support of $113 per month beginning March 1st, 2024. Ms. Chapman is also releasing all unassigned child support and medical support arrears. So after release, Mr. Manuel has child support arrears of $715.43 as of February 27th, 2024, and he'll pay that off at $10 per month beginning March 1st, 2024. After release of the unassigned medical support arrears, his judgment is $868.42 as of February 27th, 2024, and he'll pay that off at $10 per month beginning March 1st. Both parents agreed there's been no family violence in the last 2 years, and neither is requesting a non-disclosure. I will start by calling the father, Mr. Manuel. Will you please state your name? Will you unmute your device?
Okay, I'm sorry. Michael Manuel.
Okay, and sir, what's the child's name?
Manuel.
Okay, and did you hear those agreements that I just read out into the record?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and I know I announced the agreed term for the drug testing, but other than that, are you in agreement with everything else I read out?
No, ma'am. After sitting here and thinking about it for the last 30 minutes, the custody thing, I'm requesting it be sole custody. And I know that she's going to argue with it, but it needs to be sole custody.
Okay, so besides that, and besides the drug testing, everything else you're still in agreement with?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and so you're requesting to be a sole managing conservator then?
Yes, ma'am.
And can you explain why you believe that's in the best interest of the child?
Well, because everything that when CPS gave the child to me and they requested her to do, all the stuff they request, because of the situation that the child, we have drug testing,